Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can insert a SIM card to your Huawei P60 Pro. Right now you can see that we have no signal, and if we go to our settings and go to mobile network, we don't have any SIM inserted here. There's nothing there, so we'll go ahead and insert our SIM card, and you can use your SIM card ejector for that or a simple paper clip. I'm going to use a simple paper clip now, and then we will look for the SIM card slot, and on this phone it's down here. Take the tray out and we have space for one SIM and then also a second SIM. So now we take our SIM card and then put that in and put it back in the phone. So now we need to unlock our SIM first of all, and then unlock our phone, and then we're back in the phone. And we have signal now, and if we go to our settings now and go to mobile network, we have SIM management here and SIM1 Kongster. This is our SIM card, so now we can make phone calls, send SMS or whatever else. So that's how you can insert a SIM card to your Huawei P60 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.